Next one up is the Goals Planner. I love this quote, let's do amazing things. I love that they make it so pretty. It's nice and foiled. Here we go. We have goals for the year. It gives you a motivational page. Well, it gives you space for 10 goals. All right, we have stay motivated page. It says reasons I want to be, reasons I want to do, blank, reasons I want to change, blank, reasons I want to go, and reasons I want to try, blank. And then we have numbers 1 through 10. We have short-term goals, and then we have long-term goals, and we have 2 pages of the same thing. So here we go. It has space for you to put the month, the deadline if you're giving yourself a deadline, and the reward that you got for doing it. Same thing in this column. And on this side it says long-term goal, the month, it says the goal description, space for you to describe what it is, the deadline, and your mini reward, and if you finished it or not. You have a checkbox right here. I like that. Same thing on the next page. If you notice, the tabs are white actually. They don't even give you colors. Ooh, maybe they give you stickers to add colors. I don't know. We'll see. All right, it has a vision board. Wow, I love it. And then this cute little box here that will help you creating a visual board. You know what you want. Gather or draw images, arrange and create and review. I love this little guide. I love it. But you know what? Again, what I use my vision boards for, I will put pictures. I want pictures. I want to visualize what I'm doing, and I put like little comments next to the pictures. But you don't have to do that. You can just write it down, make little sections, follow these little recommendations here, whatever you want. I love that they give you a vision board space right here. Lovely. All right, here we go. Goals for the month. Plain but to the point section there. Whoa, what is this? Whoa, this is new. This is a tracker, you guys. I do this in my bullet journal. You literally can do anything. You can use this as a tracker. You can use this as the vision board itself. Wow, this is really nice. Then it says here, do something today to make a better tomorrow. And then it has a bucket list. Boom. Plain notes pages, same stickers. I love, oh my god, there goes that little sticker. How cute. Same layout. Nice color selection. I love it. Nice long-term goals, goal achieved, goal deadline, and plain labels. Love it. There goes those stickers and the nice folder. All right, dream big. Same thing, make it happen. This is your monthly vision board. So this section gave you the bigger picture. Now we're gonna break it down to help you stay motivated and complete your goals. Here we go, make it happen, vision board, and then this is your motivation, the routine that's gonna help you achieve your goals. Here we go, first things first, whatever that is, morning, afternoon, evening, and before bed. Write it down, it helps. Monthly overview. Oh my god, how cute is your goal tracker? I love it. I love checking boxes, by the way. Like every time I go and I do something and I check it off, it makes me feel so accomplished. Not lying, I love it. Then we have notes page and the dividers. And then the same thing repeats itself. First things first, morning, afternoon, evening, and before bed. Monthly view. The colors change. And here are the dividers. Ooh. And that was your goals planner. On to the next one. this one is your recipe planner. I love it. Look at the visual. Look how pretty this casserole thing looks like. We have all this is really cute. Front, the back is nice and plain, and this one has same thing, 174 pages, 338 stickers, a pocket folder, and a zip pocket. Here we go. Cute. There's your pocket. From the kitchen of your name. Boom. I love this. How pretty. Ooh, here we go. It gives you the measurement equivalents. Look at this. That you can substitute. Awesome. Notes and pictures. Oh my god, your favorite recipes. It's like a little scrapbook section. Cute. Special occasions, like if you know that you have family coming over or guests coming over, it gives you a chance to plan what you're gonna cook for that when they're here. All right, we got recipes. You have a content table. Oh my god, awesome. Oh my god, look at their stickers. We got jalapeno paper. Oh, this is really cute. I forgot to mention, let's take a look at your dividers. Look, you have breakfast, sides, main dishes, desserts, and miscellaneous. And look at the pretty stickers. Awesome. And more stickers. Your nice folder. Here we go. Thanks for breakfast. Let's see. We have a recipe. It gives you this nice side reference column here. It serves how many, the main ingredients, seasonal variations, difficulty, cooking time, temperature, and serve with. I love that. We have the ingredients, directions. Love it. Same thing on this side. There's a lot of recipes, and then we have some sides here. Main dishes, dessert, yum. These are miscellaneous recipes, and a tab for meal planning. What is this? Oh, nice. Here we go. Notes and pictures, daily servings, fruit, veggies, protein, grains. Let me. Oh, grocery shopping lists. That was your recipe planner. Okay, next one up, I'm gonna call this your home planner, I guess, because it's low. And this is huge. This is the comparison in size with the other planners. Look how much bigger that is. This is huge. I call it a home planner because there's no way, well, at least me, I'm not gonna be carrying this around. It's just huge. It might not fit in my bag. It's just huge. So I think this planner is like great for like stay at home planner. Let's compare the coils. Almost same size. The design is fabulous. All right, let's open her up. Here are the tabs. I love the colors already. This is very cute. All right, 2019, say yes to new adventures. Oh, wow. This is like the bigger version of your planner. It doesn't even fit on my frame. Oh my goodness, should I change this? Yeah. Yep, it has a yearly overview of 2019 and 2020, just like the smaller planner. Wow, and same layout with the month horizontally. Important contacts, and then these huge stickers. Let's compare them. These are the regular stickers, and these are these big stickers. This is big. This is big. I like this. Is like a desk planner. Nice. I love this. Oh wow, look at the stickers. Again, here's a comparison of these stickers compared to these stickers. Huge, I know. Here's the folder, huge. I could fit so much here, oh my goodness. All right, and here are the dividers. Same thing, the month is printed in the back of it. Same quality, so yes, it can rip very easily, so careful. And this is an hourly layout. It goes from 6 a.m. till 10 p.m. We have this nice notes section, and then we have some grid space down this way. And here are your dividers. This is your notes section. We have some grid paper and lined and grid. And last but not least, yes, I got the bigger version of the recipe planner. All right, this is the smaller version. Let me do this. Same thing, nice and durable. Whoa, I already love this. Oh my God, secret recipes. So I guess you could write on here and wipe it off. The pocket. Same nice little watercolor decoration there from the kitchen off, space to put your name on there. Same thing, we have the measurements equivalents and the kitchen conversions on this page. It's just a bigger version of the smaller planner. Favorite recipes, nice special occasions every month of the year. The huge stickers, I love them. Oh my God, this is really cute, super cute. And this awesomeness here, same thing, just on a bigger scale. The huge pocket folder. Next sticker section. I guess you can use to label your containers. I love this. Then we have the folder, huge, same great quality, it's double. And then we have our sections. We have breakfast, sides, main dishes, dessert, miscellaneous, and meal planning, same as the other one. And it's the same layout. We have a recipe, a notes section, And then in here, obviously, you're not gonna write with your regular pen because it's not gonna show up. So maybe one of those little white pens or like a different marker will work on here. Note section. And the end of your planner. I love this. Look how big this is, you guys. This is really big. Alright, and that, my friend, concludes this video. Oh no, hold on. I did a thing. And that's what I'm gonna show you for now. Wanted to show you the new Recollections planners because I am excited to always start a new planner, and I know that when I want to go buy something new, my first thing, I just go on YouTube and find out, you know, what people are saying. I want to see the details, and that's what I wanted to do with this video. I wanted you guys to see what options you have right now if that was a planner that you wanted to try. This video is not sponsored in any way. All these planners I bought with my own money, and I just wanted to show you guys what it is that you're gonna get. Of course, I'm gonna gift some of them, and maybe, just maybe, I might keep one or two. But I do buy with my own money. It's not sponsored. Don't forget to leave your sweet comments down below because I still have a monthly giveaway going on. I know that I didn't have any videos in October, so what I'll do for this month, this Thanksgiving month, I am going to pick not one but 2 winners for the month of November, because I know I wasn't able to make videos in October, so I am going to combine the October winner with the November winner, and I am going to pick 2 of you guys like I have. Well, congratulations to the other winners, and I know I have been reaching out to some of you guys privately just to thank you for being a subscriber and for always, you know, liking my videos and commenting. I really appreciate you, and that is why I had picked some of you. By now you should have received your gifts already, but that is just my way of saying thank you so much. I do appreciate every single one of you. So I do that thing randomly just because I want to. I like my group that I have in this channel. Thank you so much, you guys. I really appreciate you, and that is why I do what I do. Thank you so much. So for this month, all you have to do is the same thing. Just be a subscriber and leave me a comment down below on this video, because I will pick the winners from the comments on this video. All right, so don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. I hope you like it. I hope that this has helped you choose which planner you want to try for 2019. If you haven't received the plan, if you don't know, if you wasn't sure which planner, I just wanted to give you an overview and to see it for yourself. So if you're searching for a new planner for 2019, I hope this video helped you with at least knowing what Recollections have to offer for 2019. As always, I will always put more pictures in my Instagram account. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!